The Wild West describes part of North America in the second half of the 19th century. It was a time when people were traveling across North America, discovering new land and building new towns. It was also the time of cowboys, both good and bad.
So, now where are we?
It looks like we're in the Wild West.
Cool! Cowboys! I love cowboy films.
Well, I'm not so sure you're going to love those three.
Which three?
Those three over there, riding into town. They look like trouble.
They look like robbers. The people in the town look nervous. Well, I'm not. I want to take a look around. And I think it's best to wait and see what happens. Don't be so silly. Look, there's the sheriff. He won't let anything bad happen.
How do you know he's the sheriff?
Look at his badge. And look at the pistol he's got in his holster.
Well, I think he looks as scared as the other people.
I don't like this. I don't like this at all.